I just am going to try to visit universities like these in the future in order to further people's love of math and science, as well as spread my love of math online.
And what is the message to the young generations for popularizing this science and math?
I think math and science is very important in our modern world if you want to know what's going on behind the scenes. So you should learn it as quickly as possible.
How do you feel to visit this Borland? This is your maiden visit.
Yeah.
What is your feelings?
It's a great place. It's very beautiful. It's an extremely unique culture, and I'm so excited to be here.
What suggestion do you suggest to the youngsters that you become as a youngest professor in the world?
I hope that others will try pursuing math and science and approach math in a caring way by looking at the details instead of skipping over everything.
Is this your first time to visit in India?
No.
In Northeast?
Yes, it's it.
How do you feel that you have arrived in Borland University and interaction with the professors from many colleges and students? How do you feel?
It was a great interaction, and I'm so honored to be here at Bodleian University and to be able to talk to so many professors.
How many years it will be take to compare India with America? How many years it will be take as India?
I don't really know how exactly to answer that question.
Okay. Thank you.
क'क्राझार नगरनि आरएनबी लामाजों थांनाय बागानसालि वार्ड नम्बर 8 आव रायजो राजाफोरनि गोग्गो देहा लाखिनो थाखाय सानजारां इन्टारप्राइजआ गोदानै जेनेसा वेलनेस प्राइभेट लिमिटेड बेखेवदों। बे सानजारां इन्टारप्राइज आयुर्वेदिक गलायाव मानसिनाव जानाय गेदेर गेदेर बेरामनि मुलिफोरखौ मोननो हागोन। किडनिकाव अन्थाइ जानाय, आथिं आखाइ जरा जरा सानाय, लिभार गाज्रि जालांनाय, मोदोमनि माननाय आरो बेनि अनगायैबो बायदि बायदि गेदेर गेदेर बेरामफोरनि मुलिफोरखौ बे सानजारां इन्टारप्राइजआव लांफैनो हागोन। सानजारां इन्टारप्राइजआव गासै बेरामनि मुलिफोरखौ हलसेल राङावनो लांनो हागोन। सानजारां इन्टारप्राइज बिगोमाया फोरमायबावनाय बायदिब्ला नैबे 9954157149 जानबुं नाम्बारनि गेजेरजों नोंथांनि गोनांथि जानाय मुलिफोरखौ सुलाद लानो हागोन।